CoinEx Review. Is it the right crypto exchange for you? Introduction to CoinEx. CoinEx, founded in 2017 and headquartered in Hong Kong, has grown into a globally recognized cryptocurrency exchange. Known for its extensive selection of assets and commitment to security, CoinEx serves millions of users worldwide. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced trader, CoinEx aims to provide an all-encompassing trading experience. In this review, we'll cover its pros, cons, unique features, and whether it's the right platform for you in 2024. Is CoinEx legit and safe? Security and transparency are key considerations for any crypto platform. CoinEx has taken multiple steps to ensure user safety and platform reliability. Cold wallet storage. Like other major exchanges, CoinEx uses cold storage to protect the majority of its users' funds, keeping them offline and less vulnerable to online attacks. Two-factor authentication. 2FA. CoinEx requires 2FA for all accounts, adding a strong layer of protection against unauthorized access. KYC. Know your customer. While not mandatory for all trading functions, CoinEx offers KYC as an added layer for secure withdrawals and reducing fraud on the platform. While CoinEx operates without heavy regulatory oversight, it has built a reputation for reliability and security in the crypto community. Advantages of using CoinEx. Wide range of cryptocurrencies. CoinEx supports over 500 cryptocurrencies, including well-known assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as emerging altcoins. This variety is ideal for users who want to diversify their portfolios and explore lesser-known tokens. CoinEx's platform is intuitive and easy to navigate, making it accessible for beginners. It also offers advanced options for seasoned traders, making it versatile for all experience levels. CoinEx offers a competitive trading fee of 0.2%, with further discounts available for users who hold and pay fees in SET, CoinEx's native token. This can be particularly beneficial for high-volume traders looking to save on fees. Multiple earning opportunities. With features like staking and lending, CoinEx allows users to earn passive income on their crypto holdings. These earning programs help users grow their portfolios without needing to engage in frequent trading. CoinEx maintains high liquidity across numerous trading pairs, making it easier for users to execute trades quickly without significant price fluctuations. CoinEx offers futures and margin trading for users who want to take their trading strategies to the next level. These features are designed for experienced traders looking for additional ways to leverage their investments. Drawbacks of using CoinEx. Although CoinEx supports some fiat to crypto options, it has fewer options than major exchanges with extensive fiat trading. This may require users to use other platforms to deposit or withdraw fiat currency. CoinEx is based in a region with less regulatory oversight than exchanges in the US or Europe, which might be a drawback for users who prefer highly regulated platforms. However, CoinEx has maintained a solid reputation for security and reliability. Customer support response times. CoinEx offers customer support, but some users have reported delays during periods of high demand. Faster response times could improve the user experience, particularly during urgent situations. Complex features for new users. While the platform is user-friendly, features like futures and margin trading can be intimidating for beginners. New users might need some time to fully understand the range of trading options and strategies available. Unique features of CoinEx. SET, the platform's native token, allows users to reduce trading fees, gain rewards, and participate in platform-exclusive events. Holding SET is advantageous for active users who want to maximize their savings. Perpetual contracts and futures trading. CoinEx provides futures trading with perpetual contracts, allowing users to leverage their positions without the worry of contract expiration. This is ideal for experienced traders looking for advanced trading options. AMM, Automated Market Maker, feature. CoinEx's AMM pools enable users to provide liquidity and earn fees. This feature is valuable for users interested in DeFi-like options and passive earning through market making. With support for multiple languages, CoinEx caters to a diverse, global user base, making the platform more accessible to traders around the world. Crypto staking and investment options. CoinEx's investment platform allows users to stake certain tokens, earn fixed returns, or participate in liquidity mining programs. These opportunities provide additional ways to earn interest on assets. Final thoughts. Should you use CoinEx in 2024? CoinEx stands out as a solid choice for users who prioritize a broad selection of cryptocurrencies, advanced trading features, and passive earning options. Its commitment to security, combined with competitive fees and support for high liquidity trading, makes it appealing for both beginners and seasoned traders. While limited fiat support and regulatory oversight may be drawbacks for some, CoinEx has maintained a reputation for reliability and security. For those looking to explore a wide variety of crypto assets, earn passive income, and benefit from a user-friendly yet feature-rich platform, CoinEx is definitely worth considering. At channel name ready to start trading on CoinEx? If you're ready to dive into the world of CoinEx, there's no better time to join. Sign up using the link in the description and comments below to start trading, staking, and exploring everything CoinEx has to offer. With low fees, diverse assets, and advanced trading tools, CoinEx might just be the perfect exchange for your crypto journey. Happy trading!